The results, obviously we had our moments and it would have been nice if he would have been there, but we still had 5 bowlers and a good team is one which is not dependent on one individual. Yes, we didn't get the result, as simple as it can get. We lost the series here, as simple.
गौतम, कौन सी गलतियां हमने की है जिसके कारण ये 3-1 रिजल्ट आपको नजर आ रहा है? क्योंकि जब तक गलतियां कबूल नहीं करेंगे,
गलतियां सबसे पहले कबूल करेगा तो आप उसमें बेफिक्र रहिए कि यहाँ गलतियां कबूल नहीं की जाएंगी. देखिए, हमारे पास अपने मोमेंट्स थे इस सीरीज़ में कि जहाँ पर हम ये सीरीज़ जीत सकते थे. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे मोमेंट्स नहीं थे. जिस तरीके से हमने स्टार्ट किया इस सीरीज़ को, उसके बाद ऑब्वियसली पिंक बॉल टेस्ट मैच, फिर हमने ड्रॉ किया. तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप मेलबर्न का वो एक सेशन उठा के देख लीजिए, लास्ट सेशन, अगर हम यहाँ पर 1 ऑल आते तो शायद दबाव ऑस्ट्रेलिया पर और ज़्यादा हो सकता था. और इस मैच में भी मोमेंट्स थे. अगर हम 180 पे ऑल आउट होने के बाद अगर हम फिर उस 180 के बावजूद लीड दी हमने यहाँ पर, अगर हमने सेकेंड इनिंग में और बेहतर बैटिंग करी होती, अगर यहीं पर अगर हमने 250 पौने 300 का टारगेट दिया होता. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मैं सिर्फ एक डिपार्टमेंट को ब्लेम करूंगा कि जी बैटिंग नहीं चली या बॉलिंग नहीं चली. हम बॉलिंग बेहतर कर सकते थे या बैटिंग बेहतर कर सकते थे. आई थिंक ओवरऑल अगर आप देखें तो अगर हमारे को इम्प्रूव करना है और आगे जाके आई थिंक और बेहतर करना है तो हमारे को सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स में बेहतर करना पड़ेगा. No, there are a lot of positives. In fact, there are not some positive, lots of positive. There are a lot of these boys who were on their first tour to Australia, and we know it's a tough. Be it Yashasvi, Nitish, Reddy, be it Washington Sundar, be it Akashdeep, all those guys. I don't want to mention about individuals, but again, I think the attitude of Mohammad Siraj was outstanding. I haven't seen a lot of. I don't think so. I remember a guy who's run in every ball, despite of sometimes not being 100% fit, and that is what it means for him to play for the country. And that's the kind of attitude we had. We wanted to keep fighting, and we fought till the end. And obviously, you can talk about the numbers. Jasprit Bumrah had an outstanding innings. Jaiswal's got runs. People have got runs in this series.
Coach, now since we will not play Test cricket since June, so how do you see a long-term roadmap for red ball cricket for the Indian team? And we are in a transition period, so do you think that now time has come to bank on youngsters, maybe more focus on domestic cricket, more A tours?
Look, it's too early to talk about it. The series just got over. I think we still have 5 more months to plan where we want to head towards. But it's not the right moment right now for me to talk about that. Where are we going to be after 5 months? A lot of things change in sport. Forms change. We know that 5 months is a long time. So let's see before the England series that what's going to happen. But whatever will happen for the best interest of Indian cricket.
Coach, in the Chennai Test, you've spoken about how the only philosophy is about winning. Since then, you've had a tough tenure as well, home loss and then here as well. How do you reflect since?
Yeah, it's been tough. Absolutely, no doubt about it. It's been really tough, and obviously these weren't the results what we were expecting in the last 8 Test matches. But that is what sport is all about. All I can expect from that dressing room is to keep fighting, and all. Doing the right things, what is good for Indian cricket, as simple as it can get. But more importantly, it's a result-oriented sport, and we all play for result, and it hasn't gone our way. As simple as it can be.
What did you think of the pitch for this match, and I guess for the whole series overall?
Oh, it's been some really nice wickets. I think it's good for Test cricket as well, and there was enough for the bowlers as well. There was enough for the batters as well. But that is what's going to keep Test cricket alive. And this was not the typical Sydney wicket, what we normally are used to or we've seen in the past as well. But then this is how Test cricket needs to be played. Result-oriented wickets. I know we talk a lot. Get back home on a turning wicket as well. So I feel that I think this is the interesting part in Test cricket.
Gautam, could you just sort of talk to us about what you thought about Bumrah's performances in the series?
No, absolutely outstanding. I think I can't say more than that. I think he's led the attack really well. He's bowled a lot of overs, and whenever he's come on to bowl, he's done a fabulous job. He's taken wickets. He's done everything possible he could from his side, but then he's been helped a lot from the other end as well. He's been helped by Mohammad Siraj. He's been helped. Ultimately, yes, you will always see the wickets and runs, but yeah, there has been a lot of other contributions as well. But from Jasprit Bumrah's point of view, he had a phenomenal series.
Just going back to what happened in the last over of day one, the Australian coach last night said he thought the players were intimidating Sam Constas when that wicket of Usman Khawaja fell. I was just wondering how you saw that incident and what you made of it.
Look, it's a tough sport played by tough men. You can't be that soft. As simple as it can get. I don't think so there was anything intimidating about it. I think that's just, he had no business to be involved with Jasprit Bumrah. That was the job of the umpire, probably the guy who was batting at the end.
Costa, 6 scores in less than 200 in this series. Is that because a lot of them are playing in Australia for the first time? Is it to do with the pitches, or is it also to do with techniques and
Not a lot of people who are playing for the first time in Australia. There are quite a lot of other, probably 2 of them.
आप 35-36 में होते हैं, आपको लगता है कम बैक करेंगे, लेकिन टीम अलग ढंग से सोचती है. ऐसे में एज ए कोच क्या आपकी माइंडसेट जो आप गेम को छोड़ कर आए हैं डिफरेंट है कि कैसे वो मुश्किल होता है? जो बात श्रीराम ने पूछी कि कोच को पूरी टीम के फ्यूचर को देखना उस लिहाज से.
देखिए, पहली बात तो ये है कि हर इंडिविजुअल को पता होता है कि उसकी गेम और उसकी हंगर कहाँ पर है. वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है किसी भी स्पोर्ट के लिए और किसी भी प्रोफेशन के लिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ स्पोर्ट के लिए कि आप कितने हंगरी हैं, आप कितने पैशनेट हैं और आप क्या आपके कंट्रीब्यूशन से टीम आगे जा रही है. आपकी टीम है, देश की टीम है. मेरा मानना है कि जैसे मैंने कहा है कि वहाँ पर हमारे ड्रेसिंग रूम में बहुत ऑनेस्ट खिलाड़ी हैं, बहुत ऑनेस्ट लोग हैं जो जानते हैं कि उनमें कितना हंगर है, वो क्या उनके कंट्रीब्यूशन से इंडियन टीम आगे जा सकती है. बट हाँ, जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, मेरी सबसे बड़ी जिम्मेदारी ये है कि आई हैव टू बी फेयर टू एवरीवन इन दैट रूम, नॉट ओनली 1 or 2 इंडिविजुअल्स. अगर मैं सिर्फ 2 या 3 इंडिविजुअल्स के साथ फेयर हूँ और बाकियों के साथ नहीं हूँ, तो देन आई एम बीइंग डिसऑनेस्ट टू माई जॉब. तो चाहे वो खिलाड़ी अभी तक जिसने डेब्यू नहीं किया, चाहे वो खिलाड़ी हो जिसने 100 टेस्ट मैच खेले हो, मेरा सिंपल एक मकसद है मेरे जॉब का कि आई हैव टू बी एब्सोल्युटली.
Coach, earlier in the IPL and when you took charge as the coach, you always maintained that a winning dressing room is a very happy dressing room. Last 8 test matches, 7 results haven't gone your way. So as a coach and people who are there with you in the support staff, what is being done to ensure that the dressing room remains happy? Or if you could just dwell upon the conversations you have had with the younger players, the senior players, just to ensure that happiness is still intact even if results aren't going your way.
Yes, happiness will always be intact because the reason is that all we can do is try and prepare to the best of our ability, try and be 100% committed on the field, not only on that particular. We are doing with honesty. I think that should be fine. And more importantly, I've already answered that question that to keep the dressing room happy, I have to be absolutely honest and equal and fair to everyone in that dressing room. I know we haven't got the results and it is frustrating. I'm not saying that it's not frustrating. It is challenging. But whatever we can do with the best interest of Indian cricket, that will continue to happen in that dressing room.
हटा दे 295 रन से